How to add a credit card to your Cash App account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can actually add a credit card to your Cash App. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you don't know what Cash App is, then Cash App is a handy and a convenient app that allows you to pay friends and family without having to have actual cash on your hand or even be in the same room. However, in order to actually add a credit card to your Cash App, you have to first link your bank account to your Cash App account. If you don't link a card or bank to your account, you can still receive money, but you can't cash out or send money to others. You should know that Cash App does charge a 3% fee for sending money using a credit card. So you just have to keep that in mind, 3% fee. Now, what you have to do is, in order to link our bank account to Cash App, first open up the Cash App and tap on the dollar icon or the home icon from the bottom left corner, depending upon whatever versions of Cash App you're using. Once you do so, you will see this kind of options. Over here, you'll find the option that says add bank. So just go ahead and tap on add bank button. If you want to add a debit card, you can just go ahead and add it using a debit card. You enter your card information in the pop-up screen, then tap on the add card. If you don't have a debit card, then you can tap on the no card button to add your bank account. Then select your bank account over here. If you don't find them, you can also use the search box just in case. And once you do so, you would have successfully added your bank account. Now, the next step is to add a credit card to your Cash App. Now, open up your Cash App, and again, you have to go to the My Cash tab by tapping on the icon as we did earlier. Then you have to tap on the option this time that says add a credit card under the name of your bank. So you can only find add credit card option if you've already linked a bank before, because if you don't link your bank using a debit card or your bank account, simply you won't be able to find the add credit card. And in order to receive money on Cash App with credit card, Cash App is going to charge a 3% fee, so you just have to keep that in mind. Now you have to simply enter your card information, then tap add card. This will link the cards to your account. That's all it takes to add credit card to Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.